It is another fun day here inside Makerspace, and the students are busy exploring the concept of circuitry in electricity. Electric circuits are important concepts that have practical applications in our daily lives. As such, bringing the knowledge to the student through a hands-on experience like this is the best way to get started with them.
A simple electric circuit is an electricity supply connected to a series of electrical wires to power electrical devices. In this project, we worked with loops, resistor, direct current battery, and switch to create both series and parallel circuits. The circuits were designed to power a DC motor and light emitting diode. It was a fun experience.
Let's go.
Wait. No! I won't stop because they pushed this thing from the. And then you see what we did? We put our sellotape on top of it so the thing can stick. Start doing it.
Wow, this is amazing. Wow, this is great. Wow. Okay. Let me get the picture. This is great. Don't worry. Yes, let me see. Wow, this is great. Wow. 10 marks. Hey, Ibrahim. 10 marks. Okay. I see this. Okay. Nice job.
Just hold it like that.
Okay. Wow.
Nice one.
JD is having fun.
So you see positive and negative wires.
Okay, which one is positive?
This is positive, this is negative.
So how do you know it's positive? How do you know it's negative?
Positive is
One person at a time.
positive is red and negative is black.
Alright, thank you. Why did you arrange the wires like this?
We arranged the wires so that I could
Okay, you don't want your wires to be together. Okay, so what do you think is the aim of you guys doing this?
to be able to understand how our house is being wired.
Well, in our homes, we use parallel circuits. That is why that when one part of the house is not functioning, the other part is still functioning.
Project, we use a 9-volt DC battery, a 5.9-volt DC motor, and positive and negative wires. It starts, but once these wires are not connected, it just stops automatically by itself.
Okay.
For example, I just want
Connect it back again. Let's see.
just now.
Okay.
Well, parallel circuits is better than series circuits because if there is an issue in one unit, the other one will still work. For instance, this unit is not working, but this one still works.
I also learned in this project that our homes are wired in parallel circuits.
She's working.
You definitely had issues, right? Yes. Good.
Before the battery was not able to be connected, but finally got it connected.
Show me which one are the motors.
This one,
What do the motors do?
they use a spin.
Okay, so it is what the fan uses to rotate. Okay. So, which one? Where is the battery?
Battery is here.
Okay, so your initial problem was you were not able to make a good connection. So what did you learn from that? That you shouldn't give up. Every time you run through challenges, try until it works. Very good.